Yeah. You run into a lot of different types of working with the body, I would say, and yeah, there is often people that think when they sort of push their limits to the max that that will be the gift or give the best outcome. But also again, through doing a lot of sessions with a lot of different people, I found out that it's not so much about that. It is not so much about trying to push yourself or the other over the cliff, but it's more like balancing on that cliff and allowing yourself to relax into that, and then you will get, I think, a better outcome than when you try to push yourself too much. So I also try to keep them a little, bring them a little down if they put too much effort in what they're doing. Or just telling them again, hey, it's okay, you don't have to work so hard, relax, I got you, etc. Just to make them feel at ease. And also to make it again, make them aware that they don't have to work so hard to gain something. Since I have quite a big cock, they never have any troubles after I de-armored them. But when I fuck them before I de-armor them, it's often just impossible to put my whole cock in, or they have pain. But after de-armoring, there's hardly any pain left. So that's also important to know.